Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook plantain in an air fryer. First, select ripe plantains. Look for yellow skin with plenty of black spots for the best sweetness. Carefully peel them as the skin can be quite tough. Next, slice your plantains into uniform pieces. About 1/2 inch thick rounds or diagonal cuts work perfectly. Finally, toss these pieces with just 1 tablespoon of oil and a small pinch of salt to enhance their natural flavor before cooking. Now, let's get them into the air fryer. Arrange your plantain slices in a single layer within the air fryer basket. It's crucial not to overcrowd the basket. This ensures each piece cooks evenly and gets wonderfully crispy. Set your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for an initial 10 minutes. Remember to flip the plantains halfway through this cooking time to achieve uniform browning on both sides. After the initial 10 minutes, continue air frying for an additional 5 to 8 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown color and a slightly crispy exterior. The inside should be wonderfully soft and tender, a perfect contrast to the outside. Keep an eye on them, as cooking times can vary slightly depending on how ripe your plantains are and how crispy you prefer them. This step is key to achieving that ideal texture. Once your air-fried plantains are perfectly golden and tender, serve them immediately while they're still warm. They make a fantastic and versatile addition to any meal, whether you enjoy them as a delicious side dish or a sweet, satisfying snack. Try pairing them with savory dishes like rice and beans or grilled meats. For an extra touch, a light sprinkle of cinnamon or a drizzle of honey can truly elevate their natural sweetness. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.